Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to link Robinhood to TradingView. Since direct integration is not currently available, we will explore an effective workaround. This involves using an intermediary brokerage that seamlessly connects with TradingView. This approach allows you to leverage TradingView's powerful charting and analysis tools, enhancing your overall trading experience significantly. It's a straightforward process once you understand the steps. The first step is to choose a brokerage that offers direct integration with TradingView. Many reputable brokers support this connection, allowing you to trade directly from TradingView's interface. Some highly rated options include Interactive Brokers, Taste2Trade, and Moomoo. Take some time to research and select a broker that aligns with your trading style, fee preferences, and the types of assets you wish to trade. Once you've selected your new broker, open an account with them. Then, you'll initiate an automated customer account transfer service, or a CATS, from your Robinhood account to your new brokerage. This process allows you to move your cash and full shares without liquidating your positions. The CATS transfer usually takes about 3 to 6 business days to complete. Your new broker will guide you through the necessary forms. By linking your new brokerage account, you unlock TradingView's full potential. You can now access its powerful charting tools, advanced indicators, and a vast community of traders. You'll also be able to execute trades directly from TradingView's interface, streamlining your workflow and improving efficiency. This integration provides a more comprehensive and dynamic trading environment. Be sure to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals, enhancing your reading experience wherever you go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.